This is Velocity SMC. This is my first ever video. Okay, and I'm gonna be showing you a crazy strategy that you will never ever forget, because this one will make you profitable. Okay, we're gonna be doing it on the EURUSD today, and once you actually do use this strategy, you will completely change your life, right? So let me just get straight into it. What you're gonna be doing is trading the London killzone, which is from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. right, on the 5-minute time frame. We're gonna be marking out the highest point of Asian session and marking out the lowest point of Asian session. If you want this indicator, just let me know, because it marks out your Asian session, London session, and New York time zone, right? And as soon as we've marked out our highs and our lows, what we need to do from here on out is identify which part of price actually gets liquidated first. So if I play price forward, we can see clearly that the highs of Asian session just completely got swept. So this is here my liquidity sweep. So once we do actually get this liquidity sweep, what we need to do from here on out becomes very simple, right? And as soon as we get the liquidity sweep, we need to find a breakage of structure where fractional highs / fractional lows have completely been swept, and then we can reinforce our market structure shift within a engulfing candlestick if it's possible, right? So what I need to do from here on out is actually get a very good market structure shift towards the downside, and I can see a very clear fractional low right here, which we are actually going to be using as our market structure shift. So as soon as this gets actually swept, this is what we're going to be using to completely dominate the market and actually enter our trade. So what I'm going to be doing is play price forward. We're going to see it go up, go down, whatever. And as you can see, it's gone down and completely hit the point right there. And as soon as we got the market structure shift, as it said right here, within a engulfing candlestick too, you can see excuse me, you can see that this candle is very big, and it's an engulfing candlestick, right? And as soon as we actually did get this, what we need to do is identify a fair value gap straight away, and then we can overlap it with a market structure shift for a very high probability trade, right? And as soon as we do that, I'm going to be overlapping my market structure shift with my fair value gap right here. This is the FEG, and as soon as we actually done this, what I need to do from here on out becomes very simple, right? All I've got to do now is actually place my position, because it's very clear. Place my position right here, place my stop loss just above the fair value gap area, placing my take profit at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio right here. And as soon as I've done all this, all you need to do is now play price forward and wait for it to do its thing, and you're going to see exactly how it runs up from the bottom to the top, completely smashing take profit. But just before that, I'm going to be showing you something crazy that no one's ever told you ever before, and that is my best service, which is a crazy service which turns normal people, normal 9-to-5 jobs, into people who are making 13,000 every single month passively. Okay, we pass your account, we actually manage your account and pass it in 5 days, right? So listen, we pass your account in 5 days and we get your payout in 21 days. So you get to keep 70% of the payout money, and we get to keep 30%. As you can see, Nicholas right here made $13,000 with our service, right? And he was still working his 9-to-5 job, going to it and coming back, going to it and coming back, and we were just working in the background, passing it passively, right? And as soon as we got him that payout, he completely left his job, because he knows our value and he knows how much payouts he can actually get with us. So he completely left his job, and now he's completely printing every single month. We manage your account for 4 months after you enter with us, so now he's going to be making upwards of $20,000 every single month, right? And you can see Arthur right here made $8,000. These are real results, and these are sent straight to their crypto wallets. You can click to see our results, you can click to see our YouTube testimonials, everything. Make sure you click the first link in the description, because this is only going to 5 people every single month, okay? And for the month of May, we only have 3 spots left, so you need to click down below as fast as possible, right? But anyway, let me just get back into this. As you can see, price has gone back up, entered right there, and now it's going towards the downside. As you can see, it's gone down and completely smashed our take profit, and this is exactly what we want to be seeing from price every single day. And this is exactly what price will be doing, and it will just go up, down, and completely smash your take profit. As you can see, it's entered right there again, and it's gone down to go smash take profit again. But this strategy works very well for a simple reason. It's because I actually teach it, okay? I'm the best ICT teacher on the market, and you need to watch every single video that I have. So make sure you click the subscribe button, click the like button, comment down below if you want this indicator. I'll completely send it to you for free. And now I'm going to be showing you on a fundamental level how the strategy works. So you're going to be waiting for Asian session to do whatever it wants, highs, lows. But once it hits your specific trading time, what you need to do is mark out the highest point and mark out the lowest point, right? And as soon as it's done that, you need to wait for price to actually take out one of these 2 areas. Let's say you take out the highs. As soon as you take out the highs, what you need to do is mark this out as your highs right here. And as soon as the highs get taken out, what you need to do is actually wait for price to give you a very good breakage of structure, just like this one. And if it gives you a breakage of structure like this, what you need to do from here on out becomes very simple. You just need to mark this out as your market structure shift, And once you do get this market structure shift, all you've got to do from here on out is actually overlap it with the fair value gap, just like this. You overlap it with the fair value gap, FVG, and then once you overlap it with the FVG, all you've got to do from here on out is actually short position this, because we are actually trading a reversal. So if it takes out the highs, we trade the lows, and if it takes out the lows, we trade the highs, right? And as soon as we mark out the FVG, we're going to be placing it as a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio trade, and you just wait for price to actually come back up into this area, completely bounce off of the fair value gap, and then it will actually go up and smash your take profit. This is exactly how trading works, and this is exactly how the strategy works. If you start using this every single day, you will see profits just come into your account compounding, because this strategy is very, very good, and I've been using this for years, making $500,000 in the last year, and I'm en route to making $1 million this year, right? So I'm a very, very good teacher. Click the first link in the description, click the subscribe button, and click the bell too, so you don't miss any more uploads. But anyway, that's gonna be my first ever video, and it's gonna be the end of the video, and I'll many more to come, and I'm gonna be showing you so much more strategies. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.